Hello everyone, my dear students. Our today's topic is barriers of communication, right? Barriers of communication. We say if any information or any messages loses its basic thing, right? So it is becomes miscommunication when the part of the message from its senders to the receiver, right, and over it with blocks and the message loses its original sense, right. So it is known as sense, so it is known as miscommunication. Okay, so that is our where our barriers are start, then our communication process have gained several losses. So communication barriers have different levels at different levels. It is start as like at sender level, right. When we start this business communications, in starting we should I should teach you communication process, right. So at sender level it is an important part of our communication, right. So sender is the encoding of message, we know. So formulation and organization thought of message, it is a part of sender level. So communication barriers are start with sender levels. It also starts with receiver levels, because receiver is decoding the messages, right. Then as like it is we can say a transmission of message, means our media, our channel. So these messages are our medium, which medium we should choose. तो ये जो हमारा मीडियम है, डैट इज़ इफेक्टिव पॉइंट, इट्स ऑल्सो इफेक्ट अवर कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस, राइट. एंड फीडबैक लेवल, लास्टली की फीडबैक जो है, हाउ इट इज़ passing through which media and how feedback is passing us. So this is the levels from where the communication barriers are started. So reasoning of these barriers are जैसे process in developing of messages, right. Problem in transmitting of messages, problems in interpreting messages, what should we interpret this message, difficulty in expressing ideas, problems in receiving messages, difference between sender and receiver's messages. So these are the starting levels where communication barriers are start. Now the important part, that is the types of barriers of communication. How many types of these barriers? So these barriers start with several communication barriers that are important barriers. Number one, that is semantic, or we can say language barrier, right. So semantic barrier refers to the standing in meaning in terms of that barrier, that is a cause of communication. Language, it is a most important factor कि language is powerful base of our communication process, right. कि what language should we use, how can it is pass, which media should be passed. So in semantic barriers, or we can say language barriers, the factors which are affecting these barriers are as like first subheading in this semantic or language barrier, that is badly, or we can say wrongly expressed message, right. कि is if we use meaningless or improper words used in our communication, or we can say कि it is changed in the meaning of our message, what we want to convey. So if we convey a bad wrongly message, to communication process is over. Then as like it is bad wrongly yeah, or we can say wrongly expressed message. Second subheading is faulty translation. So if any business, if any organization is used organization of a manager in a form of a sender or a receiver, is it sender or is it receiver, he can receive or we can say translate in other words कि we cannot understand this communication कि which kind of what can he said to us, we cannot understanding it. So any kind of this circumstances or translation of the messages can cause communication barrier, right. In third, this perception semantic differences. तो वी नो कि देयर आर सेवरल वर्ड्स कि डेट हैव नो definite meanings. तो meanings are attributed by us. A word can have different meanings to different people, right? So it is therefore a chance कि a word for be used by the sender, how it is he used, he understood. So it is the difference by the receiver. So as like semantic differences in these all are the points of our semantic or language barriers, right students? Then poor expressions skills कि if communication should not have a proper language to express these ideas or view, तो we can say कि a knowledge of grammar or punctuation, one should have not any skills of this kinds of expressions. तो or we can say for example if a long sentences and hard words may cause confusion in receivers, right? So it should also create semantic or language barriers, right? As like this unclear preconcept कि when messages are usually unclear preconcept by the sender, ठीक है, if the sender is not complete its explained of the messages, तो how it is possible कि receiver should understand? So unclear preconcepts are also a part of this communication barrier, right? As like this use of technical language, it is also important part of semantic barrier. Use of technical language ki sometimes the language of a message is overloaded or with technical or professional languages. So by this communication if it suffers using by the technical language or technical words, so it is also a part of our communication barrier, right? तो और रॉन्ग मीडिया चॉइस कि देयर आर सेवरल मीडियाज टू प्रेजेंट या टू इन्फॉर्म टू द ऑडियंस कि विच मीडिया वी कैन चूज, रिटर्न, ओरल, और हाउ कैन वी एक्सप्रेस अवर व्यूज, अवर आइडियाज. तो वाइल चूजिंग these medias it will also make sometimes create some barriers if your media is not proper way, right? So these are the some points under this semantic or language barriers, right? So this is the one part of our types of barriers. Number one point, that is semantic or language barriers, or these all are their points, right students? As like semantic barriers, second one is organizational barriers. Organizational barriers that are totally completed with our organization, with our business. So in this type of barriers, number one that point is created in this barrier कि complicated organizational structure, right? कि in a business organization कि where we can say कि there are several levels transmissions of messages suffers in or clearly or spoils the complication because we can say कि more complicated or more complicated organizational structure, managerial levels or structures more suffering by this communication if the structure of any organization is complicated basis, right? As like as organizational structure, as like it is organizational regulatory policies. So we all are knows कि managers are making policies, they are making plans. So if our policies are regulatory policies are too much complicated, or we can follow works or overloaded works to our subordinates, overloaded by subordinates to their superiors, supervisors. So in this condition कि they should not regulated or they should not done their work by proper way. So if the rules of any organization is too much complicated or their policies are too much complicated, then the process of organization or the process of communications creates barriers, right? As like this organizational facilities, third one point is organizational facilities कि it refers to the availability of communication की materials की such as graphics, visual, and we can say कि where their facilities is satisfactory to provided to the communication process would go through these types of facilities. So if any organization cannot give facilities to their employees, so it gets too much suffering. So these also create some barriers, as like this bad maintenance of communication object, कि if any organization of the communication material is in written form should not improper, then for future reference creates problems. So these organizational barriers are also part of our we can say our these policies, as like this status barriers also included in organizational barrier. Key status barriers ki when your communication is the affected by status, which status ki high status time to ego or authority, and where lows such people's inferiority, they feel inferiority complexion. So these act as barriers to communication. So what status should be provided, how can we, as like as in organizational barrier, grapevine, कि when we study about grapevine, कि when the formal communication is not by proper way, so we this type of grapevine communication is taken place. So there are some barriers that are also creating organizational that are also affect organization, and these all are part of our organizational barriers, right? So these are our organizational barriers, right? So they all are the part of these organization barriers ki, that I understood you. I hope you understood these two types of barriers. Now further here are some other also types of barriers in this contents. So I think today we should okay, now third one barrier we should also study. Okay, emotional barriers. Some barriers are as like emotional barriers ki emotional attitude, right? Ki many people stands to lose their mental balance for being unduly emotional, which makes them to their superior and also their subordinates. So this emotional attitude also creates some barriers. Less number second one is less grasping power, कि this aspect of communication refers to the degree of an individual's की grasping power, कि which implies loss of validity in every phase of our communication, right? Then as like selective attitude, की in absence of the traits and narrow mindedness of the part of the either participants would not let the process of communication. So it's if selective attitudes may be a threat, so it would create some type of selective attitude also creates some barriers in our organization. And as like distrust on communication, so if the receiver are distrust in such cases of communication, so it also destroy its effect and communication process is over. So now today we study only three parts of these barriers, right? Or again further I will continue tomorrow other barriers also remaining in this part. So it is continuous tomorrow, and tomorrow I will also write down these all barriers or their subheading under these barriers. Okay students, so today's video is over. Thank you so much.